Everybody, welcome to microbiology. I'm Professor Gustin, and we are in week 14. And so I want you to get out your syllabus or your calendar or wherever you record dates, due dates and all. So get out your syllabus, and we're on week 14. And notice that week 14 is the week where the college is closed Wednesday, Thursday, Friday for Thanksgiving break. Okay, so we're going to be working on interactions between microbes and humans, part 2. It's a relatively small amount of lecture compared to other lectures, so I kind of cut it back due to our weird short week. But the other thing we have is exam number 4. So notice on your syllabus and on this page, you do not see any lab materials for week 14. We only have this section of lecture, the interactions between microbes and humans, part 2, and exam number 4. Now, the reason why I'm asking you to get your dates out, get your syllabus out or your calendar or whatever, is it says the exam is due Tuesday, December 2nd at 11:59 p.m. And I thought, oh, I'll give you a couple more days because, in case people are doing something big for Thanksgiving or going away or something. So week 14, exam number 2, and lecture assignment, the lecture assignment for this week are, it says they're due on Tuesday, December 2nd. I'm extending that to Friday, December 5th. I'm going to say it again. On your syllabus, it says the lecture assignment and exam number 4 are due on Tuesday the 2nd. I'm going to extend that to Friday, December 5th. In case you're going away for the weekend or something. Okay. So if we look down here, we said introduction. Here's the video you just found. There's a study guide just like every other week we had. I highly recommend you watch the videos. And notice there's not very much because the lecture material is relatively low. And remember last week I said make sure you watch the lecture videos because there's a lot of material in the chapters. And look at this, I've got from a couple different chapters in here even. So make sure you watch the videos, fill out your lecture study guide, and then do the lecture assignment. The lecture assignment is going to be due on December 5th. I'll correct that right there. Okay, I'll readjust that. Then you need to study that material and make sure you're in good shape with it because now you have exam number 4. Every other week, the lecture material from that week was not on the exam that we gave that week. This week is different. Okay, this week the exam covers material from week 11, and week 11 was where we had lecture exam 3. So this exam covers week 11, 12, 13, and 14, which is this week. So the lecture material we're presenting right here is on this lecture exam, okay? And it tells you the topics there. Multiple choice, and some matching short answers. You have 65 minutes to take it. And remember, again, I'm going to extend the due date to Friday, December 5th instead of December 2nd. Okay. That's what you have to do this week. So you have plenty of time to do this and to celebrate Thanksgiving and to start thinking about week 16. So when you get to week 15, which is when these materials are due, you'll see there's no new assignments. So you could actually start, you could actually take your final exam during week 15 if you chose to. But I'm going to tell you right now, I'm going to remind you again over and over that our final exam is due in week 16. And it's due on Thursday, December 11th. Notice, listen to what I just said. I said the final exam is due Thursday, December 11th. That's exactly what it says on the syllabus at 12 noon. Keep that in your mind that everything we've had so far, the due dates were Tuesday. I extended the due date this week to Friday. And the final exam, the due date on your syllabus is correct. It's due Thursday, December 11th at 12 noon. And I will take off points for people that are late. Every semester I get somebody that says, oh, I forgot the final exam was today. I'm going to take 10% off your test right there. So make sure you have it in your mind that our final exam is week 16, Thursday, December 11th. This week, I extended the due date from December 2nd. I'm going to change this to December 5th from Tuesday to Friday, just to give you a little extra time. If you don't register that, it's fine because that just means you'll get it done early. Okay? So week 14, you guys, I hope you have or had a wonderful Thanksgiving break. We're so close to being done. Hang in there. And please contact me if there's anything you need to talk about. Take care. Bye-bye.